so busy playing with Smokey, forgot the Duke's still running. Oopsie daisies. It's not smoking. Think she's warm. Oh gosh. Well, it's nice and warm in here. It's 200 degrees, which is fine. The fan wasn't on. Yeah, it's good. So I'm just gonna shut her down. In some ways, I feel like I should take it for a drive, but I'm kind of busy right now. I know. I'll just check and make sure it's not oozing antifreeze out. Turn my night switch off. Retain some battery voltage. Can't tell if that's still leaking or not. I see in my reservoir? Nope. At least there's not a big puddle. I mean, that could be the leftovers from before, so I wonder if I can get in there to look up. Yeah, I guess there is some. Ow. Doinked my head. You guys see anything? I'm not really seeing anything. Anyways, I can't tell. I can't see anything. Ah! Oh, hey, it's hot. Okay. Okay. Well, we'll keep an eye on it. You know, it might be smoky too, because I just checked my fuel. It's still up there, but it smells a little turpentine-y. So I think it's old fuel, which is not great, but what are you gonna do? You might as well burn it up, right? Use it up. What's up with Daddy-O?
Really they can do until I get it back.
Yeah, yeah.
Then they fill the bucket.
You take a break. Just came to see what you're up to. Well, that and I came to because I had left Duke running. But I don't. It definitely leaks some antifreeze, like something cold constricted, but it doesn't look like it's been leaking anymore. I mean, there's some wetness on the axle, but
Quite often they drip antifreeze.
yeah.
It's not uncommon for them. Oh, here comes Andrea.
Oh yeah, I asked Andrea to come by with some batteries for your smoke alarms.
Oh.
You know, so it's not beeping at you all the time.
Well, it just started.
Okay, I'll get back to work.
Yeah, okay.
I got my good stuff over there. Got that old 359 sleeper. So if you need an old 359 sleeper, I could hook you up. But I'm in central British Columbia, so if you're down in the southern US, it could be a bit of a commute. But originally it was gotten for Old Blue, but I don't think it's gonna go on Old Blue, because Old Blue's gonna stay along longer. That's my idea, so yeah. Okay, so these I'm definitely gonna have to take out. 1, 2, 3. I marked these. I think I'm gonna drill the holes, but I'm not gonna bolt them on just yet. But I'll get the holes drilled. Might mount it, we'll see. This one I'm gonna leave off. I really don't think I need all of them all the way across, but I am gonna trim the visor because it's just touching there. So I'm gonna Just trim a little bit, give it a gap. I tightened the sides, and that looks good now. And if we look at the other side, same thing, although that bolt's a little grumpy, but that'll work. I'll trim that. When I put it on, I'll just put some little bolts in there. And I don't know. Well, I think I'll keep those off. Maybe, anyway, I'm gonna keep them off for now until I start putting the interior in. I'm not gonna bolt it up. So now I'll pop this thing off and I can get back to body work. Oh well, that's what we gotta do. And it's gonna look a lot better with these taken off. It is. So it's gonna be a little tricky, but Tricky's my middle name, man. No, it's not. Actually, it's William. Michael William Chamberlain. Okay. This might get a little tricky. Okay, so these are gonna go there and there. It was a little scritchy there. So this is gonna go, I want it to be just above the rubber. You put it right beside, it was like right there. So we'll put it right beside that rivet. Like that. Like that. Same thing on this side. Like so. There. Now I think, I don't know, I'm wondering about these mounts, if I probably should just fill them, I guess, eh? Rather than just put a screw in, since I'm going to fill these ones. That's probably what we'll do. There. And over there. Love it. Okay, so now I can start grinding these things. I don't think I'm gonna put those brackets on just yet because I don't need to because they ain't putting the visor on, but we got the holes drilled. Grinding. Ow, that's hot. Try a bigger one. Okay, let's give this a go. Thing is, I don't have to go all the way through, I don't think. I just have to go through enough to knock the top off. If that makes sense. Just like that. Yeah, so that is perfect. There. Is that one?
What am I doing?
Pick it up.
Grabbing.
Takes a licking and keeps on ticking. Kind of dropped the GoPro off the tripod, off onto the floor. That's okay. Piper's got it. GoPros are tough. So yeah, got those drilled out. So let's just clean them up a little bit, and I'll drill those up and clean those up too. So. Oh wait, shoot. Is that the one I want to use? Yeah, it is. Okay, we won't drill that one out. Drill this one out. There we go. Enough to put a little fiberglass patch in. We're gonna put some tape on the hole. I got it sanded up. Ugh, maybe I should do this. There we go, that's better. I've ground up little spots. I've got some matting cut, ready to go. One of the other things I did is I made little drip catches because I'm pretty sure it's gonna drip down. And for this, I'm using the woven mat because the other stuff, the stranded, I think it'll just fall apart doing, you know, small hole covers. And the other thing I did, if you look, I put Gorilla Tape on the backside, so when I fill it up with resin, it can fill up the hole. So yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna go make some, and there's my old air horn spot. I'm gonna go mix up a batch of resin and we'll start gooping. Mixy! Okay. Well, we got it. We just gotta wait for it to dry. Then I can sand it. Got a big one over there. There we go. Yeah, that's it. A little gnarly. I should get the big disc grinder. Well, that looks better. Sanded it for, it's actually smoother here than it is over there. So this line isn't quite as straight as the other side, I don't think. Well, the other one might be a little bit, well, I don't know. Anyways, it trims it off enough so that it won't hit the cab, which is great. My fiberglass is set, and I'm gonna take that spotlight off. And what do you think, guys? Should I take both of those grab handles off above the door, or should I leave them? I mean, this side I could leave it because it's already there. I'm taking the spotlight off though, because I want a nice clean look on this truck. And on this side, I've got to fill the holes right there for the spotlight that was on this side, and either bolt the grab handle on, because I still have to do the mounts for all the grab handles, or I'll just have it a clean look. But I'm kind of torn because I'm kind of like, could go either way. I almost think I'm gonna take them off, but I should wipe off a bit of this resin that's running out. It's looking good, I think. I think. That's it. Yeah, I'll just give it a wipe. Try not to get it on my fingers. Still dry. Or when I say still dry, I mean it's still wet. So, yeah. Should be warm in here for it to kick off, but pretty sure I put enough resin in. It's definitely not hard yet though. That's suspect. So yeah, hopefully that's enough to kick off. So yeah, anyways guys, catch you in the next one.